Hey guys, so penny stocks can be a great way to make a very large return on your investment. However, they do carry a very high risk as well, so it is important that you make sure to pick out a good penny stock to invest in. I have recently come across 3 different penny stocks that I quite like the look of, and I thought in today's video I would go into a bit of detail into each of them to explain some of the main points around each stock and the main reasons why they might continue to grow in the future. As this is a relatively short video, I don't have time to go into all of the full details on each of these companies, but hopefully if you find a company in this video that you do like the look of, you can go away in your own time and do a bit more research and dive right into the full details of the company. My last penny stock video did do quite well. If you did miss that, then maybe after this video, go back and have a look, as there are a few good companies in that video as well. So thank you for all the support on that last video. If you do enjoy this one, be sure to leave a like as well. And also be sure to subscribe for more future videos similar to this, including more penny stock videos. And apart from that guys, let's get right into it. So the first company that I have here today is one called Ocugen Inc. Now Ocugen are listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol OCGN and currently trade for $1.83 per share, which gives them a market cap of $296 million. So Ocugen are a biopharmaceutical company that focus on discovering, developing and commercializing therapies to treat blindness. Their breakthrough modifier gene therapy platform has potential to treat multiple retinal diseases with just one drug. However, it was recently announced that Ocugen have formed an arrangement with Bharat Biotech to develop a CV-19 vaccine, which has sent the stock soaring in recent weeks. So Bharat Biotech are an Indian-based vaccine specialist company who have already been carrying out phase 1 and phase 2 trials with 1,000 participants for their Covaxin vaccine. They are now carrying out their phase 3 trial in India, which consists of 26,000 participants. So the two companies have signed a deal which will see Ocugen help to develop and commercialize the vaccine in the US. So as the pandemic continues to get worse across the world, additional vaccine rollouts are still very important to the world, which is attracting investors to Ocugen stock. This Bharat vaccine also does target multiple virus protein antigens, which does help it to better protect against future strains as the virus continues to evolve over time. Roth Capital have recently come out and said that the vaccine collaboration could be a significant source of funding and revenue for Ocugen. They will also benefit from working alongside a company that has had success in this sector. So just bringing it back to the original business, Ocugen do have 3 different gene therapy programs that are running at the moment. However, they are all currently in development stage at the moment. Phase 1 and 2 trials are expected to take place in the next 1 to 2 years, and it could be several years before anything gets fully approved for use. Ocugen's blindness treatment could change the world in 5 to 10 years' time, and the potential revenue that they could generate from the vaccine, if it is approved, could help the business a lot in terms of speeding up the process for approval of their blindness treatment. So Ocugen stock has already risen up quite a bit off the back of the news with the vaccine, but at a market cap of $296 million, there is still, in my opinion, a decent amount of potential for the company to continue to grow in the future if the vaccine does get fully approved and starts to get rolled out in the US. As well as that, they have got their long-term potential for their gene therapy business, which could be a very big game changer in the world if they can help to prevent blindness diseases. So next up we have Aqua Metals Inc. So Aqua Metals are listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol AQMS and are currently trading for $3 per share, which gives them a market cap of $184 million. So Aqua Metals are a US company that focus on recycling lead through their lead refining technology, which is called aqua refining. The systems reduce environmental impact and scales lead acid recycling production capacity to meet the growing demand for lead. Their mission is to increase global lead production without increasing emissions. So metallic material is shipped to a smelter for processing. The separated plastics are then sold on. Salt water is then shipped off-site for processing, and then the ultra-pure aqua-refined lead is then sold on. So lead is a finite resource with a rising demand across the globe. Now this is due to growing demand for automobile batteries, growth in internet data centers and alternative energy applications, including solar, wind, and grid-scale storage. 96% of all rechargeable batteries are lead-based, and it is a vital material that is used for over 1 billion electrical storage devices, hybrid vehicles, and electric vehicles. So the market for lead-acid batteries is expected to grow from $46.6 billion in the year 2015 to $85.5 billion in the year 2025, and recycling the lead is an essential part of keeping the supply at pace with the growing demand across the world. So Aqua Metals do claim that they have very strong intellectual property, creating the purest lead on the earth. 45 patents have been filed and granted in the US and internationally so far, and an additional 67 patents have been applied for and are filed and are pending right now. Aqua Metals are expected to be debt-free by the end of 2020 or very early in 2021, and expect to have grown their cash position to a big enough position by 2021 to be fully self-sufficient. They did grow their revenue from $2.1 million in 2017 to $4.9 million in 2019. However, their trailing 12-month revenue has taken a hit at only $701,000. Now, the company claimed that this was due to the fire that took place in November of 2019, which had a knock-on effect on the 2020 revenue. However, the fire was not caused by their technology or their processes, but instead it was caused by contracting work that was being done in the nearby area. So it's obviously not great to see that their revenue has dropped in 2020, but personally I believe that that was obviously a one-off event that took place with the fire, and their revenue should get back on track to continue to grow in the coming few years. So the final company today is BioNano Genomics Inc. So BioNano Genomics are listed on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol BNGO and currently trade for $3.08 per share, which gives them a market cap of $472 million. So they are a biotech company that specialise in genome analysis. They are working on products that take advantage of AI in order to break down and analyse the information that is contained within the human genome. They do have a flagship product called the Sapphire system, which can help to detect neurodevelopment diseases in a patient before they start to see any symptoms. This is achieved by completely mapping a patient's gene sequence, and this Sapphire system can be utilised in a large range of lab settings. So in December, the stock price has surged by over 500% due to a number of positive developments that took place within the company. So last week, their Sapphire platform was accredited in the US by the College of American Pathologists. The platform will be used by BioNano's customer called Praxis Genomics, meaning it will be the first company to offer a lab-developed test using whole genome analysis. And then just before this was announced, there was a publication that was released that highlighted the qualities of the Sapphire platform. A comparison test was carried out where a rival company was only able to detect 72% of the large structural variants which were detected with the Sapphire platform. And this publication really did sort of back up how high quality BioNano's Sapphire platform really is. So BioNano's trailing 12-month revenue is $7.3 million, which is down from the $10.1 million that they did achieve in the year 2019. However, this is mainly due to the pandemic affecting their business. Biotech and gene therapy stocks have been quite hot in recent months, and they are likely to continue to be hot going into 2021. BioNano Genomics do have groundbreaking technology that's already been developed and could continue to grow quite a lot in the next few years. So that is all for today's video, guys. As I mentioned at the start, this video is only just sort of looking at the key points and the key details behind each company, and I'd definitely recommend you look into the company more if you're looking to invest in them, as you need to do some deep research before you decide to invest. On top of that, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This video is for purely entertainment purposes only, so please definitely make sure to do your own research before you think about buying into a stock. But with that being said, guys, please remember to leave a like if you did enjoy it. It really does help me out a lot. Also be sure to subscribe if you want to see similar videos to this in the future, including future penny stock videos. And also leave a comment, let me know what your favourite stock is from this video, as I'd be really interested to find out. And apart from that guys, thanks a lot for watching.